Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the ambiguous case of sine law. In my previous video, I have explained you the definition of the sine law, when we have to use the sine law and the examples of the sine law. But today we are going to learn what is the ambiguous case of sine law. So basically the ambiguous case of sine law occurs when we have given the two sides and one opposite angle. Right? And when the angle is acute angle is the angle that is less than 90 degrees. It means we have two solutions are possible. And when the angle is obtuse, it means when the angle is greater than 90 degree, we have only one solution exist. Right? So in this video, we are going to learn the first ambiguous case of the sine law, means when the angle is acute. And in my next video, I will explain you the ambiguous case of sine law when the angle is obtuse. So let's begin with an example. Albert and Bella are the part of the scientific team studying thunder clouds. The team is about to launch a weather balloon into an active part of a cloud. Albert's rope is 7.8 meters long, makes an angle of 36 degrees with the ground. Bella's rope is 5.9 meters long. Determine the distance between Albert and Bella. So we can see the angle is 36, that is less than 90 degrees. The angle is acute. So when the angle is acute, it means two solutions exist. We can make the two triangles are possible. So let me draw both of the triangles first. Okay, so these are the two possible triangles when we have given the two sides and one opposite angle. So the A represents the Albert, B represent Bella, and C represent the weather balloon. So 7.8 meters and 5.9 meters are the two sides, and 36 degree is one of the opposite angle. Okay, so these are the two possible triangles. So let's solve the first solution. Let me simplify the first triangle. What we have to find, we need to find the value of the C. How can we get the value of C? We know the value of A, B, the C is missing, the angle B and angle C is also missing. So in the first step, what we have to do, we need to use a sine law and get the angle B. So we have to do A over sine A. No, we need to do sine A is given over the side A is given equals to sine B we need to find over the side B is given to us. Okay, let me substitute all the values one by one. We have sine, the angle A is 36 degrees, that is given to us, over the side A is 5.9 meters equals to sine of B, we need to figure out what is B, over the side B is 7.8 meters. Okay, so let me simplify all of them. So to get the value for B, we have to do sine B, that would be equals to sine 36 degrees over 5.9 times 7.8. Okay, so let me simplify it further. So it would be, so sine B would be equals to, after simplifying all the terms on calculator, we have got 0.7770 up to 4 decimal place, and the B would be equals to sine inverse of that term, 0.7770. so the B value we have got, or the angle B, is 51 degrees. Okay, so we have got angle B. So here the angle B I would like to label is 51 degrees, right? Okay, so now the two angles are given in a triangle. How can we figure out the third angle of the triangle? We know that sum of all angles of the triangle is 180. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. Angle A is 36. Angle B is 51. Angle C we have to find, and this would be equals to 180. So angle C would be equals to 180, subtract 36 and subtract 51. So in this case the angle C would be 93 degrees. Okay, let me label it, that is 93 degrees. Okay, so we have got the angle C. Now all the three angles and the two sides are given. We can easily find out the side C again by using the law of sine. So I can say C over sine C would be equals to, I can use A over sine A or B over sine B. This is up to you. I would like to use A over sine A because side B and angle B both are given. You can use B as well. So C would be equals to A over sine A times of sine C. Let me plug all the values and get the C value. So the A is 5.9 over sine A value, angle A is 36 degrees times sine of angle C is 93 degrees. Let me simplify it on calculator, and the C would be equals to 10 meters. So we can say that the distance between the Albert and Bella is 10 meters, right? Okay, moving to the second triangle. Let me simplify the second solution as well. So again, what we have to do, we need to find the angle B. So we can say sine B over B would be equals to sine A over A. So the sine B would be equals to sine A over A times the side B. Okay, so sine B, let me plug the values. Sine of angle A is 36 degrees over the side A is 5.9 and the side B is 7.8. Let me simplify all the terms on the calculator. So the sine B would be equals to, again, 0.7770, and the B would be equals to sine inverse of that term, and again the B is equals to 51 degrees. Okay, but in the figure we can see, if I move up, so we know that this hole is 180 degrees, right? So 180 degrees subtract 51 degrees, so that would be equals to the angle B, that would be equals to 129 degrees. So the angle B is 129 degrees, right? Okay, now the next thing, we need to figure out the angle C. And how can we figure out the angle C? By using sum of all angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So angle A is 36, angle B we have got is 129, angle C, and it is equals to 180. So angle C would be equals to 180 subtract 36 subtract 129, right? So the angle C, after solving, I have got 15 degrees. So the angle C at the top is 15 degrees, right? Okay, now the angle C, we got the angle C. We can easily figure out what is the side C. So let's use a sine law again. So C over sine C would be equals to, you can use A over sine A again or B over sine B. This is up to you. So I would like to use again A over sine A. So the side C would be equals to A over sine A times sine of angle C. So let me plug all the values. So the side A is 5.9 over sine of angle A. So angle A is 36 degrees times sine of angle C, that is 15 degrees. Okay, let me simplify all the terms on the calculator, and the C I have got is 2.6 meters. So you can see we have got the two answers. Either the difference between Albert and Bella is 10 meters or 2.6 meters. So this is the ambiguous case of sine law, and when the angle is acute, we got the two solutions, 10 meters or 3.6 meters. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.